Just. Sean time.
Yes.
Hi. Are you gonna come over here? Oh boy. What do you think? He's figuring it out.
Trying to figure out if he wants to move from his stable butt sitting position.
Come on. Oh boy. You gonna get your toys?
Oh, I think I gotta read.
Almost. What do you think? Yeah? He's got one foot like he's gonna start racing. Like he's in a starting block.
Go!
See that one foot. Are you ready? Oh, you moved it. You moved it. Come
The
on.
act of looking at it changes it.
Come on.
That's a principle of physics.
Come on. Looking at it changes it.
It's, observing changes the...
Come on. Oh, you got it! Yay! Yay! Hi.
Good job.
You gonna push yourself up? You gonna push yourself up? Hi. Hi. What do you think? Come on, you can do it. It is after 10 o'clock, or almost 10 o'clock at night, and we're having a monsoon storm.
It was bigger.
Here in Arizona, and so what did the boys do? They ran out to play in it. We've been having over 100-degree temps, and the rain is a welcome sight.
Okay, and if you aren't, from Arizona, you're probably thinking it's crazy to go out and play in the rain. But think of Arizona as only getting maybe 3 rain showers a year. A rainy day is like an Arizona holiday. It's just amazing.
Okay, do your rain dance.
Shadow.
Do your rain dance.
Alex is being an alien. Now he's gone. Wow! We are collecting some... Hey, I passed the line! You made me pass the line, John.
We're not allowed to pass that line because of the lightning.
Like, hug.
Oh, thanks for the wet hug.
Oh, no, the rain stopped.
The brunt of the downpour is done.
Whoops. That was an accident.
Alright, you boys have fun and be careful.
We're going inside. Yeah. Hi, peoples. Where are you? Whoa.
Okay, we just have massive lightning and a huge thunder right after I turned the camera off.
That seemed like not even a mile away. That was like literally like a nuclear bomb explosion. It sounded like it was, and it was less than a quarter mile. It was right after our mom turned the camera off.
Okay.
Finally, someone using epic correctly. Epic! Epic, epic, epic! Yeah! Oh yeah! Peace! You know, all the lightning's coming from over there.
Except for that one big one.
Yeah, but that one big one was from over there. But the camera can capture sound. But it doesn't capture lightning unless you're putting the lens on.
What you doing in there? Are you bouncing and spinning? What you doing? Boing, boing, boing. Hi. Hi. I'm trying to get the camera. Look at you. Look at you. Where are you going? Yay! Spin around. Hi. Hi. There he goes. There he goes. You got the hiccups too. Yeah. You keep turning away.